So 6 is like what we just did. We have something we're graphing. So here's our rational function, x plus 6 over x plus 2x minus 6. And we want to find the vertical and horizontal asymptotes and then the x and y intercepts. So first off, x plus 6 over x plus 2x minus 6. In order to find the vertical, we have to find out what makes the denominator 0, what values. And we do that by solving the denominator. And this is nice. This is in factored form. It's really easy to solve. We set each factor equal to 0. And then it ends up just being the opposite signs. You can probably see that. If you put -2 here, you're going to get 0. If you put 6 here, you're going to get 0. So x equals -2 and x equals -6. Those are our vertical asymptotes. Sorry. Now I'm going to type them in just so we can see the graph. So here's our graph. X equals -2 and x equals 6. These are our asymptotes. So I'm making them green. So these are dotted lines. The graph never hits those values. It gets really, really, really close and then it jumps. So twice we have asymptotes. So I'm going to go back here. And there's 2 of them. X equals -2, x equals +6. So for our horizontal asymptotes, we look at the degree. So the degree on the numerator is how many x's are there? There's just one. And the degree on the denominator, there's 1 here and 1 here. So we have 2 x's of 1 degree. That makes the degree 2. If we were to multiply these, it would be x squared. That's our degree. So when the denominator is larger than the numerator, the degree, sorry, I didn't write out whole denominator. That means that the asymptote is y equals 0 every time. Okay, and if they're switched, say the numerator is greater than the denominator, then there's not even an asymptote. Okay, so y equals 0, and you can kind of see it in there. My head's in the way. My orange dotted line, that's my horizontal at y equals 0. No, I don't want to save. I just wanted to be done. So I'm going to go back here and move my horizontal down to y equals 0. So last step is our intercepts. There's our y-intercept at 0, -1/2. And then our x-intercept is over here at -6, 0. And remember, if you have to solve for them, you can by substituting 0 in for x and 0 in for y. But these are just on the graph, and I'm going to use that so we can be done. All right, check answer. We're good.